Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, nomads and nomads. As you can see, it's quite dark right now. I got Sarah to shuttle me up to the top of Rocky Point. She's waiting down there at the bottom for me. I figured I'd come out here and get some shenanigans done at nighttime. See what this new Switchblade's all about. I know they've been putting in a lot of work, and there's not a single person out here. Not a single car in the lot. Can't lie, it's kind of sketchy. Just take it easy, nice and smooth. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Jumping in height is different. I need to pick these lights up a little bit. There we go. Conditions are fucking great. Super good. God, that's so much smoother. That's great. I hope levitation's running like this. Fuck, that was great, dude.